So I know I look super weird. I have on no eyebrows or eye makeup. So that can only mean one thing, that today's video is going to be Today's video is going to be an updated eyebrow routine. I know a lot of you have been asking to see this. It's nothing fancy, but I will show you. Also, I know my hair is kind of being wild and crazy. I had it in a bun last night to go to sleep, and when I took it down, this is the outcome. And so since it's so big and like curly and fluffy, I just pull it all to one side so it'll be out of my way. Anyways, I do have my eyebrows freshly plucked. I usually shave off the ends, but here recently I've been plucking them off like as they come in, and it lasts a little bit longer. It doesn't get like stubbly and stuff. So I just did that right before this video, right before I did my makeup and stuff. And the reason that I shave off or pluck off half my eyebrows is because my eyebrows grow kind of like low, like most people's do, I guess, but I like to just make mine arched higher. That's just what I prefer. It's not really practical. Not a lot of people do it, I don't think. I've been doing it for like a really long time, and I try to grow my eyebrows out sometimes, and I just end up shaving them off or plucking them off or getting rid of them somehow. First, I'm going to start out with this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder. It's one of the eyebrow powder duos. This is in the shade Soft Brown. And I'm also using the Anastasia number 12 brush. It's just a little angled brush, and this is my favorite eyebrow brush to do my eyebrows ever that I've found. And I'm mostly going to be using the warmer shade from this. But going in with that warmer shade, I'm just going to start filling in the hairs that I do have. And then I'll work on the tail later. And I try to start at the bottom to create a sharp line. Since I've done my hair red, I haven't bought a proper eyebrow product in the shade that would match my hair, so pretty much I just come up with something using products that I already have, because I used to do like black eyebrows, and I still like to do black eyebrows sometimes, but since my hair's red, I kind of want them to match more, you know. But the point of me saying that was, if I have any fellow redheads out there that are watching this, what are your favorite eyebrow products to match your hair? Because I need recommendations, because I want to try out new ones. So what I've been doing is still with that same powder, just been filling in that hair that I already have. I haven't gone beyond the hair yet. I'm just stopping right where the hair stops. And then when I pretty much have all of that filled in, I'm going to start drawing the shape of the tail that I want. This will just give like a light sketch of where I'm going to place a darker color over top. Just kind of like a guideline. Now what I'm going to do is go into my Modern Renaissance palette. I love to use eyeshadows for my eyebrows because why not? I mean, if one product can serve two purposes, then like I don't see a point in not doing that. But I'm going to take the shade Cypress Umber. This is one of the best brown eyeshadows that I've ever used. These eyeshadows are way more pigmented than that brow powder, which makes sense, you know. But that's why I like to do the brow powder first and then go over top with this eyeshadow. This is just what I've been doing recently since I've dyed my hair red. Because I've really found when I use this eyeshadow, I don't have to go in with like a cream product. Sometimes I'll take like a brown liquid lipstick and then go over it and then go back over top with the powder to darken it. But ever since I've been doing it with this eyeshadow, I haven't really had to do that because it layers up so well. So I'm pretty much just going over top of that with the eyeshadow and layering it up until it's as dark as I want it. So the last step that I do to my brows is clean them up with concealer. In my other brow routine videos that I've done in the past, I always used to emphasize that I'm lazy and I don't really like to clean my eyebrows up with concealer, but I made it kind of like one of my resolutions to like actually start trying, even though I don't like to do it, you know, just try anyway. But I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape to do that, and this little Real Techniques angle brush. This is labeled as a brow brush, but I don't know who in the hell can do their eyebrows with this brush. I mean, but I do like it to clean up with concealer under the eyebrows. I'm also going to clean up a little bit right here on the outer tail. I always make sure to blend my concealer up and into my foundation so there is no weird harsh line. So I'm done with that eyebrow now. And you can obviously drastically see a difference, obviously. Here I have no eyebrows, and here I have nice full eyebrow. So now what I'm going to do is quickly go do my other eyebrow off camera, and then I'll come back and finish talking and whatnot. So I'm back and I have both eyebrows on, so now at least I look a decent human being. Also highlighted underneath my brow with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Pearl. So I think that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me if you did. But anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.